So the next grammar point and the last grammar point we're going to do for this unit is introducing somebody's skills or their hobbies, even if you wanted to, okay, and showing them off kind of thing. Okay, we're showing off ourselves, our skills, or showing somebody else's skills or their hobbies off. Okay, in that sense, we're going to be talking about more than one thing. We're going to be talking about kind of like how talented somebody is. Okay, so the statement starts with this character that you haven't quite learned before, okay, and this is 除, okay, and we know that's 除了, okay, 除了, 除了 means like besides or other than. 除了, okay, besides this thing, okay, and this is conjunction, it's connected with 以外, 以外, 以 and 外外, this is 外面的外, okay, so this together, these two together means besides and other than. 除了 something 以外 means besides this thing. Okay, 除了 something 以外, 除了 and 以外, whatever is in the middle, they're talking about besides this thing or other than this thing. Okay, so obviously we're going to be doing activities in here or skills. Okay, and then in here, this blank here, we're going to be talking about our person, our subject, whoever it is that we're praising. Maybe it's ourselves, maybe it's somebody else. Okay, and then 还, okay, and 会. 还, if you remember from our unit in medical unit, okay, 还 means also. Okay, and 会 from our recent lessons, 会 is to like can do something, but in the sense that you're skilled at it, right? Skilled at it. So can, okay, in the sense of skill. So I'm going to put a star here to remind you that this can is the skill version of can, okay? So it's something that's skillful. So basically, 除了 something something 以外, okay? 他 or 我 or 你 or 妹妹 or 弟弟, whoever we're talking about, 还会 or also can, 还会 do something else, another activity here. So we're basically praising that this person not only can do this activity, but they can also do that activity. Okay? So for an example, if I want to say that somebody is not only skilled at dancing, but they are also skilled at singing, okay? How would we do that? I'll give you a minute to think about it. Let's say that we are praising our older sister. Okay, our older sister. And if you want to pause the video here to take a minute and think about it, feel free to do so. I'll count to 5 seconds in my head, and then I'm going to reveal the answer. Okay, so 除了, we said other than dancing, they're also good at singing, right? So that means our first activity is dancing. So besides dancing, other than dancing, they're also good at singing, okay? Besides dancing, so whatever activity we're saying other than needs to go in between 除了 and 以外, okay? So other than dancing, and dancing is 跳舞. 跳舞 is dancing, right? 除了跳舞以外, person we're talking about, and we're talking about our older sister, so here we should be talking about 姐姐, right? Whoever we're talking about, and sometimes that can be 我 or 你 or 他 or 妈妈 or 弟弟, whoever we're talking about. But in this case, I asked for 姐姐, okay? 姐姐还会, okay? 除了跳舞以外, 姐姐还会唱歌, which is our, oops, let me just do the pinging for now, since we haven't learned those characters. 唱歌 is to sing, right? So 除了跳舞以外, 姐姐还会唱歌. Okay? And some of you might be used to talking about the person, using the person in the front. And that's okay too. If you wanted to do 姐姐 all the way in the front, 姐姐除了跳舞以外还会唱歌. Okay? That's absolutely fine. So I want you to, in your head, think about what kind of skills you are good at or somebody else is good at, and try praising them in your head with a couple of examples following this format. Okay, so this is our activity number 1. Besides this activity, they're also good at this activity. Okay, please do make sure that the person you're talking about is either in the middle here or in the front. You can do it in the front if you would like to. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video here. If you have any questions, see me in the chat, or if you would like for me to check your example and see if you did it correctly, talk to me in the chat.